Paints for Ganga is an initiative where we want to use the power of art to generate funds and more importantly create awareness and passion for the project Ganga. Here we have invited artists who will be painting and their paintings will be auctioned and all the proceeds will go to an NGO which will work for this project Ganga. We are quite overwhelmed with the response because we have artists from all over the country in this holy city of Varanasi. And great thing is that all these artists, they have come and they want to donate the most prized possession, which is their painting, for the great cause of Project Ganga. And apart from this, we were running a drive where people could also upload their paintings on our website. And we are quite happy to see the response on our website as well. So I'm sure by the end of the day, we'll have some great paintings.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, please welcome our chief guest, Mr. Ram Gopal Mohale sir. जोरदार तालियां एक साथ मिलके होनी चाहिए.
माय होम इंडिया और कैमलिन कंपनी को हृदय से साधुवाद देता हूं. आज जिन्होंने गंगा को जो कलरफुल और गंगा के प्रति जो समर्पित और काशी के जो बारे में चित्रण इन कलाकारों के माध्यम से किया, इसका प्रचार और प्रसार होगा.
हम सब लोग यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत ही रिमार्केबल और इनोवेटिव ऐसी संकल्पना को साकार करने के लिए एकत्रित आए. कैमलिन पेंट्स फॉर गंगा.
This entire activity done by our company will be non-profit activity. Whatever commercials that will be generated from this activity, Camlin company, Kokyo Camlin Limited will not keep even 1 rupee with them, and we will surely contribute to all the social efforts which My Home India is doing.
The biggest contribution today is not by Camlin or any other organization, but our friends who are the artists over here. We wanted to prove that there is a lot of power in art to do a lot of meaningful work, and we hope we have tried to do that.
We got phenomenal response. We're already number 2 in terms of Twitter trending. And we should definitely be getting a lot of buzz around.
रिवर डे पे एक्टिविटीज़ टाइप का इंडिया में हो रहा था तो अच्छी बात है.
कैमलिन जब इतना बड़ा एक इवेंट कर सकता है, इनिशिएट कर सकता है, तो हम एक छोटा सा पार्ट है उसका. और यदि उस पार्ट में होके कोई एक चीज़ ऐसी हो जिससे किसी को मैसेज जाए कि गंगा हमारे लिए इतनी तकलीफ़ें लेके यहाँ तक आती है, हमारी सुविधाएं पूरी करती है, तो हमें उसको क्लीन रखना चाहिए.
तो हम लोग के लिए बहुत अच्छा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अपनी अभिव्यक्ति को प्रकट करने की वो मिली है.
आर्टिस्ट के लिए तो काफ़ी एनकरेजिंग है. इट्स रियली गुड.
कैमलिन पेंट्स फॉर गंगा.
कैमलिन पेंट फॉर गंगा.
कैमलिन पेंट फॉर गंगा.
What we believe is that on one hand we should be able to generate a lot of funds for this project, but also at the same time we'll be able to generate a lot of awareness and passion for this project which we feel is missing, and that is something which we will to achieve.